So here is Zorin. So what we'll do today is simple C program. So you can either go on cpp.sh or we can install a package called GCC. If you want to check if it's installed, you can type version and it will show you that it's installed. We'll use GCC itself. Let's see. Let's go to codes. We'll create a new C practice. Yeah, so we are here. We have. I'll just create a simple main.c. We will have I just increased the size of this. We will go ahead and install this just for later. Yeah, so this will install in the background. This is just a simple C code, so it can be written without as well. So we will just include the standard library of input and output. Standard io.h. We will create a main function. This has to return an integer and we'll just simply printf. Hello world. I saved it. I will go to terminal, new terminal. Just close that. Okay, so this does not have bash. I will have I will add the profile of bash into VS Code later on. Default it normally is. So let's just leave that. GCC main.c. I'll not rename this at all. So it created a.out. And here we have the hello world. This can be modified. My name is Shreyas. So this can be modified to, if you run this again, this will not be compiled. You have to compile it. So this is the compilation command. GCC is GNU's C compiler, and that's how it compiles and returns the output. So by default, this returns a 0. That's why it's the statement you may or may not add. In earlier versions, we had to add later on, then a default was set that this will default return 0. So I like to style it a little bit, so I just like to add one slash n at the end. I will rename this uh, as hello world. Oh, it's a small o, not a capital O. Capital O is optimization level, and small o is the executable name, output executable name. So now this is not in the same line as this. Now it has added an extra new line character, which is this. That's all. I'll just add a I mean, a description string that Title is Hello World Program. Description, simple hello world oh, single word to start with. Save, again compile and run. That's all for today.